Hi, Hillary here with Car Keys Express, and this is the Nissan Simple Key. Replacing modern car keys usually requires professional tools and equipment, but Simple Key allows you to add a new key to your vehicle using plug-and-pair technology. Today, I'll show you just how easy it is. In the box, you'll find an uncut key, the Easy Installer, and the user guide. There are 2 steps to making your new key work with your vehicle: cut and pair. First, cut. The new key must be cut before pairing it to your vehicle. This key can be cut at any local hardware store. Next is pairing. But before we get started, make sure you read the important notes section in your user guide. It's important that all existing working keys are present during the pairing process. Once you pair a new key, all previous keys will be erased from the memory. The others will not be functional until you pair them again. Okay, let's get started. These instructions have timing requirements. Once you begin, move at a quick and even pace. If you wait too long between steps, your vehicle's computer may time out and you'll have to start over. Start with the vehicle in park and the engine off. Close all doors and make sure you have all existing working keys with you. In the user guide, find the correct dial position for your vehicle's make, model, and year. Turn the dial on the Easy Installer to the correct position. If there's more than one dial position for your vehicle, try the primary dial position first. Now, plug the Easy Installer firmly into the onboard diagnostic or OBD port located under the dash. The exact location of your vehicle's OBD port can be found in your owner's manual. Next, press and hold the Easy Installer button for 2 seconds. Again, confirm you have all existing working keys and new keys with you. Press and hold the Easy Installer button for 2 seconds. Turn your car's hazard lights on. Press the Easy Installer button to continue. The next step will vary based on the dial position for your vehicle. Today, we'll follow the steps for positions 1 and 2. For positions 3 and 4, refer to your Simple Key manual. Start by inserting the original key into the ignition. Each ignition has 4 positions: lock, off, ACC, on run, and start. Turn the key to the on run position. Do not start the vehicle. Press the Easy Installer button and continue. Turn the key to the off position and press the Easy Installer button. Press the Easy Installer button again to continue. Insert a key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Press the Easy Installer button again to continue. Wait up to 30 seconds for the next screen to appear. Turn the key to the off position and press the Easy Installer button. The vehicle is now in pairing mode. Press the Easy Installer button again to continue. Then, turn the key to the on position, but do not start the vehicle. The security light will flash 5 times. Press the Easy Installer button again to continue. Turn the key to the off position and remove the key. Then press the Easy Installer button again. To pair additional keys, follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have paired all of your keys, press the Easy Installer button to begin exiting pairing mode. Insert one of the paired keys into the ignition. Press the Easy Installer button again. Turn the key to the on position and wait 3 to 4 seconds. The security light will flash 5 times. Turn the key to the off position and remove the key. Then press the Easy Installer button again and unplug the Easy Installer. If the Easy Installer is left in the OBD port for more than 5 minutes, an alarm will sound, reminding you to remove it. Finally, test your key. Remove it from the ignition, reinsert it, and start the vehicle. Press lock, unlock, and other buttons to test any additional features your vehicle may have. If the remote features such as lock and unlock do not work yet, follow the key pairing Part 2 instructions in the Simple Key manual. That's it! Congratulations! You have a new car key. I'm Hillary here at Car Keys Express, and now you know just how easy it is to add a new key to your vehicle with Simple Key.